What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Patreon request from Drake. Geto and Gojo manga panel from chapter 67. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. Heads are quite small because we got a bit of body in. So Gojo over here, Geto here, and we do our best. So zoom in, quite small. So start with the top eyelids. So quite small top eyelids. Let's see, we'll go. He's kind of looking down. We'll just go up and over. And he has quite slender eyes, Geto. That's the top eyelid. And again, he is looking down, so like it's very thin. So I'd say we go just there, like real thin. And then his eye is just sort of black in here. And I will do it like kind of like the manga, so I'll just go black. So his other eye, sort of down from that, because his head is kind of tilted back that way. So we'll go across. There. And then a very slender bottom eyelid line. And again, he's just looking down. Okay, and then so we can see kind of like his nose line here. And then his eyebrow just above. It's just kind of a spiky arch. And then same kind of on the other side, just across from that, I would say, here. Kind of goes underneath his hair, but I'll draw it in. So for the nose, the bridge of the nose, he kind of draws in a, let's say, a shadow on the side of the nose. So it kind of goes that way. And then there's a bit of a shadow sort of drawn in just on this side. It's unusual, more manga style now than anime. Two nostrils then. And then a smiling mouth, quite wide smile. So underneath his eyes, it's kind of like starting there and ending underneath the pupil either side. Curving sort of up and down. And then you might have a bottom lip line then. Just there. So, chin is kind of, it's relatively long. Sort of, I'll do, it's not clear in the manga panel because there's all this shadow done in. We'll go that way. Right, and then we'll go for the jaw. Going up there. That way. And that way. Like so, right? There could be like an extra sort of line there just on his chin or something. So Geto's ears are pretty big. So we got like a spike there. For his sideburn. And he's got those big piercings. So say this comes out around, down. And his earlobe. His earlobe is quite exaggerated, the size of it, right? Because of those big disc-like earrings that he has. So they're those two little black sort of things here. And then some ear lines inside. Like so. Now his neck just roughly comes down from here. Hairline then, so it goes up and it starts to go around his forehead. Meets a dangling hair spike here. Say if we say in the middle of the nose, we go with a V, and then it goes back, zigzagging for hair. And on this side, about here, you'll meet this sort of fringe part that comes down over his eye. Right, and then his hairline kind of just like bumps around. Because he has, you know, all these texture lines that run. There. So, and then in the manga, his bobbin is sort of tied here. It's visible. They don't do it in the anime. Okay. So, neck muscles. And then his uniform. Got a collar with a V in the middle. Well, it's kind of left of the... It's not bang in the middle. You can make it centered if you want it, if that's annoying you. Right, and that's his collar, and then like his shoulder just kind of goes off this way. Hands are just sort of down by his side anyway. We got like shoulder lines. Joining his sort of side body area. And then this comes around where the button is. There's always all these folding lines and stuff, you know, as his clothing has been pulled across his body. It just makes things look a bit more like fabric. And then we have a button. So the force of the button is pulling everything in here, so that means the fabric wants to go that way. You know, so it just makes it look like it's inside. And then they do these little just pattern things. That's Geto. So let's try Gojo. So Gojo has glasses on. And then he's like hair, glasses, and teeth. So what would be the easiest? Maybe get the glasses in first because they're circles. So they're pretty much drawn like perfect circles. If you've like a coin or a stencil or a compass, use those. If not, We'll do this. Okay, and then there's that nose connection that glasses have, and then we'll go again. So in the manga, he does like a half black shadow down there if you want, or you can add some like color. I might like color it sort of like a navy gray and add a white coloring inside it. I think it looks cooler than the sort of graphic black they use. But that's just me. You could copy the manga if you wanted. So his nose is basically just like this, I think. Not very visible, but I think there's some glasses stuff in there as well. So he had his mouth is like One Piece, like it's like a big Luffy sort of smile. Don't know if you watch One Piece, but you should. And then, you know, it's like a banana, you know, real cartoon style. Cheesy grin, right? Big teeth, shadows in the corner. And they just show two teeth maybe there with some gums up top. None on the other side, but maybe I will. Just because I can. Okay, so then chin. So again, I'll make it maybe a bit more sharp or something. Just it's a bit off. Is it me or is it a bit off in the manga? He obviously drew it quite quick. It's like round, but anyway, I'll go more square maybe, and then jaw just comes up to there. Yeah, see, like that jaw is up higher in the picture I'm drawing from. Maybe it's supposed to be. Change direction and go up towards his ear. And then he should have, again, just maybe, well, there is glasses lines there actually. So there's like a little bit that sticks out of his glasses here, and probably goes around behind his ear, but not really visible. So let's say just we'll do this. People will get the idea. And then his ear is just here. The other ear is kind of higher up behind hair. So hair spikes. Lots of them. Going down behind the glasses. Okay, and I guess you should see eyebrows maybe a little bit just in there. Mine needs lots of hair then. Oh, and his other ear comes out from these hair spikes. lines inside. Okay, and then he has lots of big messy hair sticking out around. Some like textures and stuff on all this. Basically that, and like some lines inside. Very rough, sort of drawn Gojo hair in the picture. So we will do it like that, why not? Right, so wide neck as well, coming down from his earlobe even, nearly. And then his Jujutsu Kaisen costume. So we got, again, a collar, a little V in the middle. Comes down, in. Shoulder comes down that way. Other shoulder down that way. And then just his arms with some folds on it. His hands are just like in his pockets, so like side body just going down here. And a button. Again, just like Geto, it's been all pulled across. And a little sort of pattern and stuff inside. Alrighty, Gojo and Geto. Thanks for support on Patreon, Drake. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.